Hello guys, my name is Nancy Kita and welcome back to another video. This is a continuation of the video you saw earlier. This is the part 2, although I didn't name it as part 2, but this is the part 2 of the video that you have just seen for the 1-bedroom house. I had to separate the video because I had to show you the 1-bedroom house, and again I had to give you the full view of a 2-bedroom house. So this is a 2-bedroom house that is found in the same apartment that you saw the 1-bedroom in. So moving on, this is the living room. At the entrance you can see they have provided you with the shears for the curtains. You do not need to worry about the shears for placing your curtains. And then on the living room they have 4 sockets actually. There's this one socket, and then there's another one with a full window for the proper lighting to come inside your house, so you do not have to worry about the natural light. And you can see it is well tiled as the other 1-bedroom house. Like the tiles look alike. They look alike, it's only that there's a difference. And then over there from the sitting room you can see there's a counter there that invites you to the kitchen, and you can see how big the kitchen is. This kitchen can accommodate your gas cooker together with your double door fridge, so you do not need to worry about the space in the kitchen. And you can see there's enough cabinets for you to keep all your kitchen gadgets, your cooking pots, your utensils. And then over there there's a balcony from the kitchen, although I didn't get time to open it because it was a little bit late and I was rushing to film it for you so that I can go back home in. So this is the whole look of the kitchen. You can see there's kitchen cabinets there which are so good, and then they have provided a rail for you to keep your kitchen towels. So that is the whole look from the kitchen to the living room. You can see how big the living room is. And then moving on from the living room, there's a corridor, a tiny corridor that has the sink together with the mirror. So here you can place your toothbrush, toothpaste, and anything that you need to place over here. Okay, this is a common washroom. It's a sink that leads you to a common washroom because this 2-bedroom it's an in-suite. Okay, there's one common washroom and then there's another washroom in the master's bedroom. So this is the common washroom, and it has all that you need: a place for you to keep your soaps, and then the toilet for you, and then there's a window for the natural light to come in, and then you can see how tiled it is. It is well tiled with the beautiful tiles, beautiful gray tiles. And then from the common washroom we go first to the common, should I call it a kids bedroom? Okay, let's call it a kids bedroom. So this bedroom is big enough to fit actually 2 4x6 beds, so you do not need to worry about the space. If you have 2 kids here, it can fit 2 4x6 beds actually, or if you have a bigger bed 6x6, it can all fit in here. And as you can see, they have also provided you with the wardrobes for your kids to store their clothes. And then there's enough space for you together with the sockets too, because there are 4 sockets actually on each corner, so you do not need to worry about that. And then from the kids bedroom we go straight to the master's bedroom. You can see how it is from the kids bedroom to the master's bedroom, and this is so huge. I loved how they considered the space for the master bedroom and the natural light that comes from these huge windows. You can see the whole view of this area, guys. This is the 4th floor. Okay, so that's why you're able to see the whole view of this area together with big wardrobes for you. That's how big the master bedroom is, guys. Just imagine the whole of this is your master bedroom, and then you have the window, the big window. They've provided you with the curtain rails, 2 of them, and then there's a space here Here you can put your couch, imagine. So let me show you the drawers. The first drawer, tiny one. The second where you can put your documents. And then this is a place where you can place your mirror here. And then above there, there's another place. And then over here, this is the first one. You can see how the wardrobe is it has enough space for you to store your clothes, for you to store your trench coats, your coats, your sweaters. Just look at how big this is, okay? And there's also an above space where you can place your suitcases, so you do not need to worry on where you can place your suitcases, okay? And you can see how well tiled it is. I love how they matched the color of the tiles together with the color of the wardrobes. It makes it to be much easier when you want to decorate it. Just look at that huge space. Also over there at the entrance, there's still enough space. You can place something over there. You can just work with the space and see how it turns out. So that is the whole look of the master bedroom. Just look at how it is. And from there, we are still in the master bedroom, and as I have told you, it's an in-suite, so you have your own sink in the master bedroom together with the mirror, and then they've provided you with a rail where you can place your towels, your face towels. And this is just a place for you with your Mr. or Mrs. You just don't need to get a stress on sharing toilet with your kids. You have enough space for your privacy with your man, with your woman. And look at the doors. They are lockable doors. You can choose to lock it if you want to. And then inside there's a place where you can place your soap. And then they have already fixed the shower heaters for you, so you do not need to worry about fixing the shower heaters. They have provided you with the shower heater. All you need to do is to just pay the electricity, and then the shower will be fully hot for you, okay? That is the whole space of the master bedroom, and you can see how it is. So you can easily see from the master bedroom, you go inside the kids room, so you do not need to worry, and there's enough privacy for you, so you do not need to worry when it comes to privacy. From the kids bedroom, you head on to the common washroom, and then there, that is the living room, and over there, that is the kitchen. And behind the kitchen, you get this balcony. So from the balcony, you can see the views, guys. You all know I love the views of houses. Just look at how refreshing it is. It is therapeutic. And on the balcony, they have provided you with one socket where you can place your washing machine or anything that you need to work on. So this is the upper side of this apartment. Yeah, as I have told you, they have already completed with construction. So these are just the remains of the constructions, and this is a place where you can just come and relax, or if you need to dry your clothes very fast, you can just come here above here, since there's enough air, enough sun for you to dry your clothes during daytime. And then, as you know, Utawala is near the airport. That's why you can see there's an aeroplane passing, okay? And then there's enough water for you. It is 24/7, so you do not need to worry about water. Yeah, you can see they have already placed for you a place where you can just dry your clothes easily without having to worry. It is fully secured. You can see there's CCTV in every corner of this apartment. Every corner of the floor you will find a CCTV, and that is good for security. So you do not have to worry about your security because they have placed the CCTV cameras for you. So this is from up the rooftop. From the rooftop, we are going down from the to the ground floor. I want to show you the parking space, so you can see how clean this apartment is. Up from the rooftop to the down apartment, guys, you can see how the staircases are. It is secured with the grills all over the place. If there are small children, you do not have to worry about it, because they have secured this place better enough for anyone to just walk comfortably without having to worry about anything. So I had to show you quickly another bedroom for the kids. This is a 2-bedroom still, and this is the kids bedroom. I wanted to tell you that this bedroom can fit 3, not just 2, 3 4x6 beds. That's what you need to know. The space of the 2-bedroom in this apartment is big enough to fit 3 4x6 beds. And then over there on the kids bedroom, they have provided you with the balconies in some other 2 bedrooms. Okay, we have different 2 bedrooms in different floors. So there are some floors that have provided the balcony inside the kids bedroom. Okay, so that's how it is. You can see these are the cabinets too. They have considered the cabinets, placing the sockets. So if your kids need to study in their bedroom, you do not have to worry about anything, because the sockets are like four sockets, so you do not have to worry. You can see it is well tiled with beautiful colors that can match anything that you have in your house. So that's how it is from the kids bedroom. I just wanted to show a sneak peek of another room, another 2 bedrooms. So that is the master bedroom, and you can see it all has all in suite inside. So this is the outside part of this apartment, where they have placed for you the tokens, the electricity tokens. So the electricity tokens are all found in this one place. Each and every room has its own electricity token. And then over here, this is the parking space. It's an underground parking space, and it's enough for each and every house which has a car, and it is fully secured with a gate, so you do not need to worry about it. So guys, you can see this house is just near the house is just near the main road. Like you just get out of, like you are dropped from the main road. That's the main road over there, you see. Let me do this. Yeah, that's the main road, and then here, this is the house. So you're just near the main road. You don't have to worry about anything.